Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a very quick video. I wanted to show you a few new digitals that I have put in my Etsy store and just kind of give you an update on a few things. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with this one first. And y'all can probably hear my newest naked baby in the background. He's not happy that Mama's not just sitting and holding him right now. Maybe I will, when I get done showing you this, I may see if I can get him up here and introduce him to y'all. Y'all probably already seen his videos. If you haven't, go and watch him. He's adorable. All right, so this is the first kit. This is Spring in Bloom. It is 24 pages, and it is just a very, I don't know, it's bright, colorful. It just screams springtime to me. This is just printed on copy paper. I'm actually going to use these kits in some altered mini composition books that I am doing for Mother's Day, which is today. So happy Mother's Day to all you moms out there. But our Mother's Day program at church is tonight, and I just got through making 25 bouquets of roses for the Mother's Day program, plus all of the other roses I sold. This is just a lot of like background type pages. I love the colors of this kit. Absolutely love it. And I will leave the link to all three kits in the description box below. So that way you guys can go over there and buy your copy. I think the sale that's in my Etsy store, I think it's still going until midnight tonight. And this is like a good double fold journal page, as is this one. And look at that. I just love the colors in this kit. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have a bunch of ephemera pieces. So these are like little folders that you would cut out. It's got the tabs in the different spots, so you can see there. Then we've got some tags. This is another kind of folder and some pockets. Folder. And some more pockets, and then these you can stamp on. I left these blank on these so that you could take your stamps and make them into whatever you wanted to make them. And then we've got some well-tailed tabs. We've got some small envelopes. These are like index cards almost. These are like tickets. These are some more pockets and tickets. And some more envelopes. So that kit is the Spring in Bloom kit, and it is 24 pages. It is a beautiful kit, if I say so myself. All right, let's move to the next one. This one is Emerald Echoes, and this kit is also 24 pages. And so this kit, you will see, it's just a lot of green theme in it. So there's like green patterns. You know, this is just a bunch of greenery. Another green pattern. Some more green pattern. This has got the gate, the little pond, the lily pad, the butterflies. Just another pattern here. I love this page. This is probably one of my favorite pages in the entire kit. And this is just another pattern. And this one was just so simple, but I love the way it looked. When I done it, I put this image on the book page, and I'm like, no, it's done. Another pattern. This is just like a collage of different green-based elements. Then we've got just some separate little pieces of ephemera. This is some tags and another one of the folders. These are the other two folders there. Some envelopes, pockets, tickets. These are like the index cards, journal cards, and tickets. Some folders. Some more envelopes. folder, some pockets, some more pockets, the well-tail tabs, the tickets, folders, and then a page of ephemera for you to cut out. All right. So that one is Emerald Echoes. And again, I believe the sale is going on through the end of today, which is May the 11th. Now this one is a huge kit, and it's still the same price as the other kits, so this one is a great deal. This one is Lavender Fields. This one is 41 pages. Guys, this kit is huge. So this one I was actually playing around with like the shadowing and stuff, and so that's why this kit ended up being so big, is because I was doing a lot of testing on things. But it's got like the lavenders, the butterflies, and I was playing with the shadowing on these butterflies. And then this is just some lavender elements on a beautiful green. Look how pretty that is. I love these colors too. Oh my God, these colors are just beautiful to me. Look how pretty that page is. And then I've got some background pages. So this one's like a green with purple dots. This one is a purple, but I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. It's like the color goes in a circle around, like when you throw a rock in the water and it's got all the circles. That's kind of how this is. And this one is just like a green. It's got some striations to it. A purple gingham. Then we have a green gingham. A purple with white polka dots. A green with white polka dots. A purple stripe. A green stripe. Look how cute this is. This is a purple houndstooth. And then we have a green houndstooth. Then I made this pattern here, and it's like the green and purple. I don't know if you guys can see if it's showing up. I just loved it. And then this one's like purples and greens too. It may be a little more difficult to see on the camera. And then this is just like a purple watercolor wash almost. This is like a green ombre watercolor wash. And then this one is like the green with the purple watercolor. And then that's just some purple ribbon. Some green butterflies. Then I done some green butterflies with some lavender. And then we get into the ephemera section. So we've got the little folders and some tags, some more envelopes. And these are the pockets. And now in this set, I did put some stuff on the tickets and the stamps, I believe. These are your index cards. And you see I've got stuff on there. Some more envelopes. Some more folders. More folders, a folder and some pockets. Look at that. Look at them stamps. Aren't those cute? And then I done a couple pages of ephemera so that you can cut out and use in your journals. And so that's it. So that is 41 pages of Lavender Fields. So make sure, I will leave the link to all 3 of these in the description box below. Make sure you go over and get these. I mean, they're already a good price on Etsy, but they're an amazing deal right now because I have them on sale through the end of today, Sunday, May the 11th, 2025. So yeah, let me know what you think about these 3. Let me see if I can get Shaggy. Shaggy! Come here, big man. Come here. Shagster. Let me see. I don't even know where he went, guys. Shaggy. I was going to introduce him to you. I may pause the video and see if I can find him. He was just right here aggravating the mess out of me, but of course, because I want him to come, he's not coming. Isn't that how kids are? He's just like a kid for me. I'm going to pause you guys and I'll be right back. All right, guys, here we are. This is Mr. Shaggy. Look at this pretty little face. They want to see that pretty little face. Look at that pretty face. Isn't he a doll? He is my little heart, one of them, because Dahlia is my main part. But this thing is such a mess. He is rotten, and look how dirty he already is. That's the joy of owning a Sphinx, is they get dirty. He is a very light gray, but you can see that he looks almost brown right now. Here, Shaggy, say hello to everybody. Can you tell everybody hello? Can you tell everybody hello? Y'all, this thing is the sweetest little thing. He's my little heart. All right, guys. Make sure you check out the links below to get your copy of the digitals while they are still on sale. And stay tuned. There will be lots more videos with this little man in it, as well as my Dahlia. This thing is as sweet as Dahlia, but he is into everything, like literally into everything. So, all right, guys, I will talk to you later. I think I'm going to have to go spend some time loving on this thing. Mama's been away from him this morning while I was at church, and he can't handle it no more. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.